Hey there, fellow busy parent. Ever feel like your kitchen is a battlefield after a long day wrangling kids and work? I'm right there with you. Today, I'm sharing my go-to 10-minute deep clean hacks that transform chaos into calm without fancy tools or endless scrubbing. We'll start simple and build up to pro tips that make maintenance a breeze. Imagine wiping down surfaces in seconds and saying goodbye to stuck-on grime forever. These are real-world wins designed for our hectic lives, practical, quick, and oh so satisfying. Stick around as we dive in, and by the end, you'll be equipped to tackle your kitchen with confidence. Let's get started with the basics that pack the biggest punch. First things first, declutter like a pro. Grab a basket and in under a minute, toss out expired spices or relocate kids' toys, anything that doesn't belong. This sets the stage for efficient cleaning. Now for our magic multi-surface spray, mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a bottle, add a squeeze of lemon for that fresh scent. It's eco-friendly, cheap, and cuts through grease like nothing else. Spray it on counters, let it sit for 30 seconds while you handle the sink. See? No harsh chemicals, just smart shortcuts that keep your family safe and your wallet happy. Up next, we'll zap that microwave mess without breaking a sweat. Microwaves are grime magnets from all those quick family meals. Here's a hack that'll loosen baked-on splatters in minutes. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with equal parts vinegar and water, add lemon slices for extra power. Microwave on high for 5 minutes, the steam does the work. Let it sit a bit, then wipe with a damp cloth. Everything slides right off, no scrubbing needed. It's like magic for busy mornings when you're rushing to get kids out the door. Pro tip, do this weekly to prevent buildup. Your kitchen will smell citrus fresh, not like last night's popcorn fail. Now let's tackle the sink that's seen better days. The sink where dishes pile up after dinner chaos. Sprinkle baking soda liberally over the basin, then spray with your vinegar mix. Watch the fizz action break down soap scum and water spots. Let it bubble for a minute, scrub lightly with a sponge, and rinse. For that extra shine on faucets, wrap a vinegar-soaked cloth around the aerator overnight if you can spare it, but even a quick wipe works wonders. This duo is your best friend for hygienic, bacteria-free surfaces without elbow grease. You'll feel accomplished knowing it's done in 2 minutes flat. Coming up, stove tops that look brand new, even with daily cooking spills. Stove tops take a beating from family stir-fries and baked overflows. For gas or electric, start cool, then use a razor blade at a 45-degree angle to scrape off charred bits. Safety first, no rushing. Follow with a baking soda paste. Mix with water to a spreadable consistency, apply to greasy spots, and let sit while you handle knobs. Wipe away and buff with a microfiber cloth for that showroom sparkle. Remove knobs for a deep clean if time allows, soaking in soapy water. This hack cuts cleaning time in half, leaving you more energy for what matters, like family game night. Next, we'll conquer those sneaky cabinet doors. Cabinet doors collect kid handprints and splashes faster than you can say, "Dinner's ready." Dampen a microfiber cloth with warm, soapy water. Dish soap works great, and wipe from top to bottom to catch drips. For stubborn grease on handles, a bit of olive oil on a cloth buffs them to a shine without streaks. Inside the cabinets, line shelves with contact paper if they're sticky from spills. It's a quick peel-and-stick upgrade. This step keeps things tidy and makes unpacking groceries a joy, not a chore. You're building momentum now, your kitchen's halfway to pristine. Let's move to the fridge for a freshness boost. The fridge is the heart of family meals but can harbor odors and spills. Pull out expired condiments quick, toss anything past date to free up space. Wipe shelves with your vinegar spray, it neutralizes smells naturally. For drawers, line with paper towels to absorb moisture and prevent veggie rot. Pop an open box of baking soda in the back for ongoing freshness. This hack makes meal prep faster and keeps food lasting longer, saving you grocery trips. No more funky smells when you grab a snack. You're doing great, keep this rhythm, and we'll hit the counters next for that final polish. Counters see it all from breakfast rushes to homework snacks. For tough stains like coffee rings, sprinkle used coffee grounds, add water to make a paste, and scrub gently. The abrasiveness works wonders without scratching. Follow with a vinegar wipe for disinfection. For wooden boards, rub with coarse salt and half a lemon. The acid kills bacteria while conditioning the wood. Dry thoroughly to avoid cracks. These steps ensure a hygienic workspace for your family's cooking adventures. Your kitchen's shining now, but let's amp it up with some advanced tricks that take it over the top. Now for the challenge, the oven that hides last week's roast drips. Mix baking soda with water to a paste, spread inside, avoid heating elements, spray vinegar to fizz away grease. Let it sit 10 to 15 minutes, perfect while you do other tasks. Wipe with a damp sponge. For racks, soak in your bathtub with dishwasher tabs if possible. This deep clean prevents smoke during holiday baking and extends your oven's life. It's empowering to conquer this beast without calling pros. Feeling the win? One more advanced hack to seal the deal on spotless appliances. Dishwashers quietly build up film from hard water. Run an empty hot cycle with a bowl of white vinegar on the top rack. It descales and deodorizes in one go. For the filter, remove and rinse under tap with baking soda scrub. Check seals for gunk. A toothbrush with soapy water does the trick. This keeps dishes coming out spot-free and your machine running efficiently, saving on repairs down the line. You've just leveled up your kitchen game. These hacks are game changers for maintenance. Now let's wrap up with why this matters and how to keep it going. Look at that transformation, from cluttered chaos to a welcoming haven in just 10 minutes a day. These hacks aren't just about cleaning, they're about reclaiming time for what you love, family dinners without stress, peaceful mornings, and that proud feeling of a well-managed home. Using natural ingredients means safer for kids and pets, plus you're saving money on store-bought cleaners. Incorporate one or two into your routine weekly and watch the difference. You've got this. Practical steps lead to big confidence boosts in home life. Quick recap: vinegar spray, baking soda fizz, steam power, and smart scrapes. To keep shining, maintain with nightly 2-minute wipes and monthly deeps. Your kitchen's now efficient and inviting. Enjoy the peace. If this helped, hit like, subscribe to Home Hacks Daily for more time-saving tips, and comment your favorite hack below. Share with a friend who's always battling the mess. Thanks for joining me. Go tackle that kitchen and feel the win. See you next time for more handy secrets that make life easier.